Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Two States Junction. If you're watching me for the first time, I put videos on ideas to improve our lifestyle, beneficial and healthy recipes. Recently, I also started terrace gardening episodes. I do some singing stuffs and also involve my baby. And a lot more. Do check out my playlist and please subscribe and be part of my family. In this video, I am going to prepare a hair oil. My husband was noticing some hair fall and that's when we started trying this. This hair oil we have been using for quite 3 years now and it gives amazing results. I thought I can share it with you all and you also can get benefited out of this. So let's get started. For this, we need amla. Amla helps to strengthen the scalp and stimulate hair growth. The next we need is the curry leaves. This helps preventing hair fall and hair thinning and take care of the overall health of the hair. I've also taken aloe vera. This prevents hair from damages like itching, dandruff problems and conditions your hair and maintains moisture in the hair. I have taken coconut oil. It is the natural oil that helps your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. It's better we use naturally processed oil with no essence added. I have used cold pressed oil. We call it Marachakka Ennai in Tamil. It will be available in the supermarkets and exclusive oil shops, and I got half liter oil for 150 rupees. So heat a pan and pour this half liter of coconut oil. Let this heat up. Make sure you keep the flame in low. Meanwhile, we will make the other ingredients ready. First, take the amla and remove the seeds out of it. Roughly chop the amla into smaller pieces because we are going to grind it. For half a liter, I have taken 4 medium to big sized amla. Put this into the mixie jar and give it a nice grind. Finely grind it. We don't need to add water as amla itself has water content in it. Grind this to this consistency. Next, we are going to grind the curry leaves. Take cleaned curry leaves and then put it into the mixie jar. Give it a nice grind. Don't add water when you're grinding it. As you can see how well this got grind, make sure you have this consistency. Next I have taken aloe vera. What a magical ingredient for skin, hair, etc. I have taken 2 stems of aloe vera for half liter oil. Remove the skin very gently. It is enough if you peel off just the sides and then leave off the other skin. Cut them into smaller pieces and keep it aside. You can feel the fresh coconut oil smell aroma by this time. Make sure the oil doesn't turn too hot because we are going to add all the ingredients to this hot oil. First, I am adding the curry leaves to this oil. Make sure you add it gently because the oil is very hot. Next, you can also add amla at this stage. Be careful as amla has water content. Add it gradually and keep giving it a stir. You can maintain the flame at low even now. Finally, add the cut pieces of aloe vera to this oil. Give it a nice stir. Maintain low flame and let this oil get heated up nicely and all the ingredients natural quality get blended with the oil. almost 15 to 20 minutes you can heat this oil. You can see the color of the oil changes to nice green color. Make sure you stir it continuously and then all the essence get into the oil. After 15 minutes, just switch off the flame and leave the oil as it is. I'm doing it in the night time and I leave it overnight. So with all the ingredients soaked in oil, just leave it and let's check out how it is in the morning. You can now see how the oil absorbed all the ingredients and got a nice color. Take a light cloth like this and pour the oil into it. You can also use a filter to filter this. The oil is almost ready. For half liter oil, we almost got most of the oil retained. To this oil, I am adding black cumin seeds, which is karunjeeragam in Tamil. Cumin oil also acts as a natural moisturizer and reduces the dryness in the scalp, hence preventing hair fall. I am also adding fenugreek or venthayam, just a half a teaspoon of both the black cumin seeds and fenugreek to this oil. Fenugreek helps in moisturizing your hair and bringing back the bounce and luster in the hair. So I'm using both of it and then let that stay inside. It will just go down and give you all the nutrients. These are my mother's recipes, so definitely please get benefited and let me know in the comments how it is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.